Hi, it's Teresa with Crafty with Teresa. Thank you for joining me today. Well, today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. I'm actually going to show you some of the scrapbook layouts that I've been working on for some time.
Now, I mostly focus on cards, but my channel name is Crafty with Teresa, so I wanted to take a minute to walk you through some of these scrapbook layout designs right here for my dining room table. It's a bit of a mess, but it's what I like to say is a mess worth making. So if you're looking to get into scrapbooking, there's several ways that you can do this. To get started, you can use scrapbook kits, you can use designers, there's many different ways to get those creative juices flowing. Well, the last one is what we'll be looking at today. I took a design that was done by Kelly, and I'll include in the description box the link to her blog, and it's called Snips by Kelly. And I took her designs and I used them as a jumping off point. She's actually my Stampin' Up! Leader, and she's wonderful. I've been a part of her team for 9 months, and I love her designs, her creativity, plus she offers so much support for everyone, both on her team and off. She has now reached 5,000 subscribers on her YouTube channel and is going to do a gratitude video. So I thought that I would take a moment to showcase some of her designs in support of her success. So I walk through, I'll try not to make you dizzy here, but here's the different types of pages that I have worked on that were taken from Kelly's designs. I just loved this design by Kelly. And by the way, this was long before I became a part of her team. But I saw this design and I thought, I have to do this for my grandkids. One of the things that I loved about this design is the fact that I could use it as a jumping point by taking that umbrella and those flowers and using it for my granddaughter and having fun in the rain. But the other thing, it's bright and cheerful, and it inspired me to get out my Cricut for the first time in years and make those umbrellas and those flowers. Here's another one where my granddaughter participated in a competition. It's super bright, and I took the design from Kelly and expanded a little bit on it with these super bright reds. And one of the things I noticed that Kelly does is she grabs vellum, types on the vellum, and adds that into those white spaces to complete her journaling. And I love that idea. I think that's great. Now I'm going to move over to my other granddaughter. These are binders are getting quite full. So you'll see that I do the one-page layout so that I can get as many as possible into those binders. Because my grandkids love looking at the layouts, here's another one that I was able to get done using Kelly's design where I took the boots and I created those boots on my own in Cricut Design Space. Looked at Kelly's design, thought this would work out great, great jumping off point, and I just think it's funny. You can see the difference in the grandchildren here. This one, she loves to be what I call sassy, and so the layout definitely shows her personality. Now, I do have an additional layout coming out soon using a new set of designer series paper called Floral Delight, and she and her sister will be in that one, and that new layout will be called Sassitude because you're going to see that in both of my grandchildren. This is the design that Kelly introduced to me where she showed how you can take shapes and actually use those shapes to highlight your photos. I've seen her use circles, hexagons, diamond shapes, and in this case, I took one of her examples and created it using the star shapes. And a bonus is I took this as an opportunity to add in some dimension like shaker elements. What I love most is that sometimes you may only have one picture you want to focus on, so this is the perfect way to highlight it. Now the next one is very, very close to one of her designs, but I had to do mine and make it very, very busy because my grandson asked me specifically to add his cute little characters from his birthday party into these designs. And I love the fact that my grandkids look at the binders, look at the layouts, and have ideas for me. So what I did is I took the layout itself, made a very simple design so that I could show off all the photos because there's quite a few here and all the little characters. And the character that he's most crazy about is Buzz Lightyear. That was his theme, and I love the fact that he continually quotes his saying of to infinity and beyond. So again, this is a very, very close design, but I really wanted it to show off all of the things that were most important to him, and one of these designs worked out great. Now the last one that I have is my closest design that I created, showing off another grandson, Riley James. Now, I wanted his picture to be the huge focal point, so I wanted this wonderful half moon that Kelly created in Cricut, and I believe she provided it in her YouTube video for free. So hopefully I'm right. If I'm wrong, I'll let you know. I'll drop a note in the comments. But I really wanted to show off that one photo that I had of him. Adorable, right? And I wanted to start incorporating these cute little characters that are from the storybook designer paper, because those characters to me are going to be able to tell the story of all of those different nursery rhymes that he is crazy about, and I'll build a companion page to do that. But it starts off here with that half moon design and those characters. And if I get those done, I'll throw those into a video for you later. Now these are just a sample of some of the designs I took from Kelly. There are many, many more. I want to thank you so much for joining me today for this showcase of some of my artwork. Crafting is doing what you love, and for me, creating these memories with my grandchildren and capturing them into these binders is the definition of what I love. So thank you again for joining me, and stay tuned for more videos to come, and until next time, have a great day.